Hi everyone, this is Pooja Agrawal. Are you looking for your own application like Gojek? Do you want to start your own multi-service business where a user can book food, grocery, parcel booking, multiple services like electrician, plumber, beauty parlor services, mechanic, and much more, with taxi booking also in one app, easy to use, and everything by using one app? Then this is the video for you. Hi everyone, this is Pooja Agrawal from Raunix, and today we are going to discuss how our ready-made Gojek similar application GoPack works. So now let's understand how food delivery works in GoPack.
So now let's click on fast food to see what you see inside a category. So this is inside fast food category. You can see all the banners. All these banners admin can control. You can see all the categories available inside the fast food. You can see vendors nearby available by delivery or pickup. You can see the best selling products, and you can also see top sellers or top vendors on platform. If you want to see all the sellers, not just top sellers, click on view all vendors, and yeah, you can see all the sellers registered in this category. You can also see all products like this. Now let's click on a category to see the products inside it, and yeah, that's how you see products inside a category. Now add a product to cart. If you click on the product, you can see the product image, product name, product price, products add-on options, and more other details. You can also increase the quantity like this, and now click on add to cart, and yeah, product has been added successfully. You can see the final total over here. Now if you have any discount code, you can put it over here to get additional discounts on the application. So now let's check out. Now if you want to give any tip to the delivery boy, enter it over here. If you want to write particularly about the order, you can write it in the notes section. Right now we are writing this message. Now enter your address over here. Just click on new, enter the name, enter the address. Now here you can also type your address, and you can also choose the map like this. So it will automatically take your live location, and you can also search a particular address. If you want to make this address as default, click on default, and now click on save, and yeah, that's how you add a new address in GoPack application. Now choose your address. If you want this order to be pick up, not be delivered, then you can choose the pickup. Right now we are making it as delivery order, so the delivery man can pick up the order from the store and can deliver to our address. Now choose your payment method. The GoPack application supports many payment methods like cash on delivery, Stripe, Paystack, Razorpay, Flutter Wave, Bill Please, Wallet Balance, PayPal, Paytm, PayU, and much more. You can choose any of the payment method you want to. If you are an Indian person, then Razorpay and Paytm and PayU money is for you. So your customers can directly pay by credit card, debit card, UPI, and much more. Right now I'm choosing cash on delivery. Remember, the admin can control all these payment gateway. We are going to understand that later in the video. Now here is the final total. You can see the final price, delivery fee, and everything. Now click on place order, and yeah, that's how you place an order in GoPack application. So now let's open the restaurant app. So this is the seller or restaurant app. The seller can see this order like this. He can see the complete order detail, and now he can change the order status like this. And that's how a store or a restaurant accept the order. Now the store can manually assign a delivery boy like this. You can also active automatically order scheduling, and then the nearby delivery boy will automatically get the order. And now let's open the driver app, and yeah, that's how a driver receive a latest order. He can see the complete detail of order. He can chat or call with the customer and also with the seller. He can see the live location of the customer like this, and he can see the complete order details, what is the product, what is the quantity, and everything. And then he can click on this long press to start button and he can start. And now let's assume the driver has reached to the customer place. So he will click on this button called long press to complete. After clicking on this button, the order will get complete. And yeah, that's how food delivery works in GoPack application. I hope you like this video. If you have any of the query or if you want to start your own application like GoPack, then drop a comment below so our team can connect with you, or you can also check the description box and directly connect with us. You can also see the number showing on the screen, or you can visit Raunix.
And yeah, that's how customer can order food, seller can accept that order, and driver can easily deliver this order by using the GoPack application. So now let's understand how the courier booking works in GoPack application.
So now click on parcel delivery and now choose your package type. It is document or it is box or it is something else. So right now we are choosing box. Remember, all these package types can be created by admin. Now click on next and now choose your courier vendor and now choose your pickup and drop location. You can also add a pickup and drop location by clicking on this new button and now click on next. And now enter the contact number of receiver and the sender. So if there is any query, the courier company, the courier delivery man can directly contact with them. And now enter the width, length, weight, height and more details. And these are all the details of your courier. Now click on next. And now if you have any coupon code, you can apply it over here to get additional discounts. And this is your complete order summary. And now choose your payment method. It is cash on delivery, Stripe, Paystack, Razorpay, Flutterwave, BillPlease, Wallet Balance, PayPal, Paytm, PayUmoney. The GoPack application supports all these payment gateways. You can enable the payment gateway according to your country and location. If you are an Indian, Paytm, PayUmoney, Razorpay will be good for you. If you are from out of India, you can contact your consultant so they can suggest you which payment method will. If you are from out of India, you can connect with your consultant by checking the description box, or you can also comment below so our team can directly connect with you. So now let's open the courier partner application. This is the courier company application to receive the latest bookings of courier. So here you can see your latest order like this. You can see the complete courier detail and you can change the order status like this. And you can also assign particular driver to deliver this courier. Remember, in GoPack application we also have automatically order assigning. So whenever there is a new booking to a courier company, the nearby driver can also get automatic assigned. For more, you can contact your consultant or you can also drop a comment below so our team can help you. So now let's open the GoPack driver app, and now the courier delivery boy get the notification of courier like this. He will click on this button and he will get started. He can see all the detail of the courier, the customer name, the drop address, name and number, and driver and vendor, address and number, everything he can see. He can also see the live location of the customer, and then he can go ahead. And let's assume now that the courier boy has reached to the address and he will drop the courier to the customer address. And yeah, that's how a courier gets delivered in GoPack application. If you want to know more details, you can directly contact us by details available in description, or you can also call or WhatsApp us the number showing on the screen, or you can also visit Raunix.
And yeah, that's how you book a courier by using the GoPack application. The customer will log in by his customer app, the courier company will log in by the seller app, and the delivery boy will be logging by the driver app. For more detail, you can directly contact your consultant by the details available in description box. So our team can help you the best. And now let's understand how you can book a professional like an electrician, plumber or much more.
So now let's understand how to book professional services in GoPack application. Click on services. Now you can see banner, and you can also see all the categories inside professional services, and you can also see all the services available. You can also see all the providers who are giving services. You can see all the services by clicking on view more. You can also search a particular service, or you can also see all the providers. Now click on this haircut service. As this service is taking charges as per hour, you can also set the charges for fixed charges. Now click on continue. And now if you want to book this service for right now, then we will go with the process, or you can also schedule this order. For example, if you want to book it for tomorrow, you can. And now enter your other details. And now choose your payment gateway method. You want to do it by online payment option, or you want to complete it by cash on delivery or other option, you can choose it from here. Now you can see the order summary, and now click on book now. And yeah, that's how you book a professional in GoPack application. Now open the seller app, as he is a seller registered on the platform. And yeah, that's how a GoPack seller will receive proper notification when there is a new booking. Now he can see this as a pending order. Click on it. And now the provider can see all the details of the service. What is customer name, what is his number, what service he has booked, what is the total, and all the charges. He can also call to the customer, and he can also have a chat with the customer. Now click on edit, and you can change the order status like this. Now the provider will go to the customer address and complete the service, and then he can change the order status as delivered. He can also change the order status in meanwhile as preparing, ready, en route. And if the order is cancelled, then he can also make it failed or cancelled. Right now we have reached to the customer place, so click on delivered, change. And yeah, your service booking has been completed. And that's how a customer book a professional, and the service provider can complete the booking in GoPack application.
And yeah, that's how you book an electrician by using the GoPack application. So now let's understand how grocery delivery works in GoPack application.
Now open the customer app, click on grocery or electronics or food, whatever product you want to order. Let's click on grocery. You can see all the categories inside like this, and you can see all the products and all the sellers. You can click on view all vendors to see all vendors. You can also see particular products and particular vendors like this. Now let's add a product to cart. You can also see the complete order details like this. And now let's proceed to checkout. And now you can see the complete order summary, that this is your order. And now choose your preferred payment method. If you have any coupon code, you can enter this coupon code also. All these payment gateways GoPack app supports. Right now I'm placing order with COD, cash on delivery. So click on COD and click on place order. Our order is processing, and yeah, that's how a customer make a order by using GoPack application. Now this order will go to a seller, and that is how a seller sees his latest order. He can see the order detail, the customer name, number, his address, his products, quantity, total, and everything. And now he can assign a particular delivery man, or a nearby delivery man can receive the order. Now the seller will change the order status like this, and you can see the order status in the customer app has also been updated. And now the order will go to the delivery boy. Delivery boy will pick up the products from seller, and he will go to the customer and drop the product at the customer location. He will click on this button to get started. And now let's assume the delivery boy has reached to the customer place, so he will click on this button to deliver the order. And that's how a grocery, electronics, fashion or other category shopping works in GoPack application.
And yeah, it is so easy. That's how complete grocery delivery order works in the GoPack application. And now let's understand how to book a taxi or a ride by using the GoPack application.
Now click on taxi booking and choose your pickup and your drop address like this. You can search your address and it will auto take the address from Google Map like this. Click on next, and now it will show you the nearby car type available. If there are more cars available, it will show you those cars and their prices. And now choose your payment methods. If you have any coupon code, apply it. Right now we don't have any coupon code. And book the taxi. And yeah, that's how a customer make a request for taxi booking in GoPack application. Now this inquiry will go to the nearby driver. He will accept the inquiry and he will start his trip. He can always change the order status, the taxi ride status. And now let's assume that the driver has been reached with the customer to the drop address. The customer can live track the whole process and now he will click on delivered. And yeah, that's how you complete a taxi ride by using the GoPack application.
And yeah, that's how you will book a taxi by using the GoPack application. GoPack is a complete Gojek similar application where you are getting a customer app, a seller app, a driver app. If you are booking Android and iOS, then you are getting 3 Android apps, 3 iOS apps, admin panel, complete source code and 1 year free technical support. For more, you can contact us by the details available in the description box, or you can also directly connect our team so they can help you. You can also comment below so our team can directly contact with you. And for more, kindly watch all the videos. For such videos, you can subscribe our channel and you can like the videos so our team can help you better. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.